wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best retinol creams. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Made from a rich combination of green tea, vitamin E and shea butter, beautyrx brightening can be used on a daily basis to help prevent the breakdown of collagen and encourage its production, as well as reduce the appearance of dark spots. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and is ideal for both men and women. However, the pump mechanism can be finicky. At number 9, correxion is a lightweight, mild-strength formula with hyaluronic acid that's made for those who have had a previous sensitivity to other retinol products. It's got a strong floral scent, though, that may not be appealing to some. It can be used under other lotions and got good results in clinical studies, but it is pricey considering the amount you get. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Olay Regenerist comes from a trusted name in beauty and is packed with retinol and vitamin B3 to reduce fine lines and restore and revitalize. This fragrance-free formula absorbs quickly and will leave you feeling hydrated long after it's applied. It comes with a sample of Olay Whip and is unlikely to cause irritation, though application can be messy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for retinol creams, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Amara Beauty 2.5% leverages some of the most advanced plant-based ingredients available to keep your face blemish-free and soft to the touch. It features a blend of hyaluronic acid and nourishing oils that can be quickly massaged into the skin. It doesn't contain any alcohol and stimulates collagen to reduce scars, but it's not the best for sensitive skin. Moving up our list to number 6. The super smooth triple milked Poppy Austin green tea protects delicate cells from the elements while thwarting future damage from dangerous sun exposure. It's also gentle enough for twice daily use without causing excessive dryness. This one's made in a female-owned facility and diminishes hyperpigmentation. However, it may lose its effectiveness over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. Body Merry Surge is loaded with rich nutrients like organic jojoba oil, green tea and aloe to reduce fine lines and other signs of aging. Whether you have a sensitive, oily or normal complexion, your face will likely appear renewed with a noticeably radiant glow. It has a lightweight feel and a little goes a long way. It helps close pores too. At number 4, Lilyana Naturals Premium is an all-in-one solution to add to your morning and bedtime routine. It absorbs quickly into your face, neck, chest or hands without leaving a sticky or oily residue behind for a healthier overall appearance. This is a cruelty-free option that doesn't irritate or clog pores, and it has a pleasant, subtle aroma. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Kleem Organics Advanced contains 5 proven bioactive ingredients designed to keep you hydrated for up to 72 hours with a single application. It also stimulates both collagen and elastin production to prevent the appearance of wrinkles. This one's good for use in dry climates and ideal for women over 25 years old. It has a rich and buttery texture. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for retinol creams, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Instanatural Youth Restoring attacks signs of aging head-on with advanced antioxidant and moisturizing elements. It not only restores your complexion to a more youthful state, but can help prevent breakouts by keeping pores clear. This one's recommended for use at night and comes with a convenient pump dispenser. It may smooth out crow's feet. And taking the top spot on our list, formulated with all natural ingredients, baebody Beauty Ultimate is a wholesome choice that doesn't contain any harmful dyes or parabens. The round jar has a small hole that dispenses the perfect amount every time for quick and easy daily application. It can produce results in just 1 week and has a non-greasy feel. It's good for uneven complexions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for retinol creams, or simply click beneath this video.